Introducing the EXO SGS Sling Sight Luminaire by Current Lighting. The SGS Sling Sight Luminaire comes with two mounting options: arm mount and mast arm fitter. It features a dense optical array with interchangeable optics, reducing pixelation and enhancing visual comfort without sacrificing performance. With switchable wattage and CCT, you can easily customize your lighting design to meet any application requirement. Sling Sight is the perfect value solution for site lighting, from small parking lots to general security needs. For the mast arm fitter mounting option, it's designed for 2 3/8" poles or tenons and adjustable from 0 degrees to 90 degrees in 5-degree increments. The luminaire also includes interchangeable Type 3, Type 4, or Type 5 distribution lenses, providing flexible on-site changes to distribution. Each unit comes with all 3 optics included. The arm mount option comes with an integral arm, designed for easy installation and is compatible with the S2 drill pattern. It's suitable for mounting on flat surfaces, square poles with a gasket, or round poles measuring 4 to 5 inches in diameter. The EXO SGS Sling Sight Luminaire is versatile, efficient, and designed to meet your site lighting needs. For more information, visit currentlighting.com.